With the onset of a second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, many people are confined to lockdowns across various regions in India, and work from home will remain the norm, so users will need to be prepared. One good way to make sure you don't run into connectivity hiccups during work hours from home is to make sure your connection is working at peak speeds. Here are 4 ways to speed up your Wi-Fi connection speeds on Windows 10. Before starting a video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you never miss my new video. So, let's get started. First, disable background apps. A good way to make sure your bandwidth is not being wasted in tools you're not going to be using is to disable the Windows 10 apps that you will not be using regularly. To do this, head over to Settings, Privacy, and in the section on the left, scroll down to Background Apps. Here you can see lots of applications are runs in the background. You can choose which apps run in the background, or turn the service off directly. It will completely turn off all background apps. Second, deactivate Windows Update. Windows 10 can automatically download and install updates in the background. While the feature may be useful for some, it also means Windows is constantly monitoring its servers looking for new updates. These updates will even start downloading when you may be working, thereby affecting your download speed. To disable Windows Automatic Update, users can go to Settings, Update, and Security, and choose Advanced Options. Here you can pause updates until a particular date. My setting is grayed out due to incomplete updates, but if you have this option available, then just click on it. Also, go back to the Windows Update page, and on the panel on the left, choose Delivery Optimization. Turn off the main toggle, and you'll also prevent local downloading of updates within your LAN network, saving more precious bandwidth. Just you have to search for services and open that app. Here scroll down and search Windows Update. Right click on it and go to Properties. Select Startup Type and make it disabled. Click on Apply and OK. Again right click on it and stop this service. Third, flushing your DNS. Flushing your DNS is a lot like clearing cache memory, except it is for your DNS server. To flush your DNS, simply open the search menu, then search CMD, and choose Command Prompt. In the command prompt screen, type this and press Enter. This should flush your DNS. Fourth, change the Wi-Fi channel. Your Wi-Fi router may be fast as is your broadband connection. However, if you're living in crowded spaces like flats, chances are you and someone else's Wi-Fi router are sending and receiving data over the same frequency, eventually affecting peak speeds. In such a scenario, it is a good idea to change your Wi-Fi channel. To change your Wi-Fi channel, do this as shown in the above image. Open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. Next, enter your username and password. Then open Wireless Settings. Next, click the Channels drop-down menu and change your Wi-Fi channel. Finally, make sure to hit Save or Apply. These are 4 easy ways to speed up your Wi-Fi connection on Windows 10. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Also, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next one.